Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 2.3 question number 8. Our question is solve the following equation and check your results also. So here first aim of our question is we need to find the x value. So try to bring all the x term to one side, numbers to another side. So here already 2x by 3 is there, so keep as it is. This plus 7x by 15 I am bringing to this side, that will become minus 7x by 15, which is equal to, here I am having the 3. This plus 1, if you bring it to that side, that will become minus 1. Here these two numbers having the denominators are different, we have to go for a LCM. For 3 and 15 my LCM value is 15. Hope you know how to make the LCM. So 3 comma 15, 3 table 1 time, this is 5 time, again 5 table 1 1. So 3 5s are 15, so LCM is 15. So 15 we have taken. So 3 into what number will give you 15 we have to think. So 3 5s are 15 you will be getting. So the same 5 you have to multiply here also. So 2 5s are, it will be 10. So here already x is available, you have to write the 10x. This minus sign will come as it is. Here already 15 is available, you no need to multiply anything to make the 15. So you can write the 7x also as it is, which is equal to 3 minus 1 will give you 2. So the denominator 15 I am taking to the other side, it will become multiplication. So 10x minus 7x will give you 3x, which is equal to 2 into 15. So 3x is equal to 30. So x is equal to multiplication 3. If you go into the other side, it will become a division, 30 by 3. So 3 table 1 time, 10 times. So x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 is the answer we are getting. Now we are going for a verification, because they are asked you to verify your answer. They have mentioned in the question itself. So verification how to do means, first we have to take the problem from the question. So 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3 is our question. So with the given question, x value you have to substitute 10. We got x is equal to 10 now. We are going to verify whether it is true or not. Wherever x is given, you just substitute with the 10. So first 2x by 3. So 2 into 10 by 3 we have to take this plus 1, which is equal to, here 7 into 10 by 15, this plus 3 have to write. Now 2 into 10 will give you 20 by 3, this plus 1, which is equal to 70 by 15, this plus 3 we have to take. Now let us take the LCM, here by 1, here also by 1. So for 3 and 1 the LCM is 3. So here already 3 is available, no need to multiply anything. This plus sign, here only 1 is there, but I want 3. How to multiply by 3? Here also you should multiply by 3. So 1 3s are 3. So this side also I am making LCM. So for 15 and 1 LCM will be 15 only. Here already 15 is available, take the 70 as it is. And plus here only 1 is available, but I want 15, so you have to multiply by 15. So here 15 means here also 15 I should do. So 15 3s are, it will be 45 you have to take. Now this is 23 by 3 we are getting. Here we are getting 115 by 15. So this we can cancel in 5 tables. This is 5 3s are, this is 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are. This is also 23 by 3, this is also 20 by 3. 23 by 3. So both the sides are we are getting correctly. So we can say that this is verified. So what is the answer we are getting is correct. This is called actually verification. So x is equal to 10, what we are substituting, it's coming correctly. We'll go to the next problem now. So here comes question number 9. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y is a question. Bring all the y to one side, number to another side. So here I am having the 2y. So keep as it is. This is a minus y, bring it to this side. This will become a plus y, which is equal to, here we have 26 by 3 and here we have plus 5 by 3. When coming to this side, minus 5 by 3 it will be. Now 2y plus 1y will give you 3y, which is equal to, here already denominators are same, you can take one common denominator, 26 minus 5 you can write. So 3y is equal to, this is 21 by 3. So 21 by 3 we can cancel. This is 3 1s are, this is 3 7s are 21. So y is equal to multiplication 3, if you take it to the other side, that will become division. So y is equal to 7 by 3 we are getting. So let's verify the 7 by 3 in your question now. So wherever you are getting y, that should be replaced by 7 by 3. So first one, 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is one side. The another side is 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. So here 2 sevens are 14. Here also denominator 3. Here also denominator 3. We can take one common denominator. This plus 5 will come as it is. This side also both the denominators are same. Take one term as a common. So 26 minus 7 we are getting. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 by 3. 26 minus 7 also 19. 19 by 3. So this is verified. So what is the answer we are getting is correct only. So checking part they are asking, I have tried. We'll move on to the last problem now. So look at the 10th problem. Our question is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5 is our question. So let us bring all the m to one side. So the plus 5m bring it to other side, that is minus 5m. So 3m minus 5m which is equal to minus 8 by 5 we are getting. So 3m minus 5m, 3 minus 5 is minus 2m which is equal to minus 8 by 5. So this is a multiplication minus 2. If you bring it into other side it will become division. So m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Here this is a numerator minus 2. When you bring to this side that will come to the denominator. Minus minus will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fours are we can cancel it. So m value what we are getting is 4 by 5. So m is equal to 4 by 5. Now we are going for the verification. So we have to take our question for checking or verification also. We can say our question is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5 is our question. So here the m value alone we are going to substitute now. Keep the 3 as it is. M value we got 4 by 5 and which is equal to 5 into again m value 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5 we are having now. Now here 3 fours are 12 by 5 which is equal to here 5 fours are 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5 we are having. So that side already only one number is there, keep as it is. Here the denominators are different, we can take one common denominator. This 20 and this minus 8 can be clubbed together. So 20 minus 8 will give you again 12 by 5. So left hand side answer and right hand side answer is coming correctly. So we can say that it is verified. Our checking also over. So the m value is 4 by 5 is our correct answer. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.